Hey, what's up guys? This video was requested by some of you who wants to know in details how to open and close an e-bike battery in Dolphin Case style. First step is to identify how many accessories and ports you have on the battery itself, like charging port, USB port, battery level indicator, fuse, locking mechanism, on and off switch, handle, and back here is the output connector, which goes only on one way. There is a little indentation over here which matches with the battery support. Next, with a slim screwdriver in cross, I will undo these 6 long bolts. Before that, you might have to spray some penetrating fluid in order to make the bolt undo faster and protect the threads if they are rusted. Now, since the small nuts are caught in the hexagonal shape of the plastic case, I can begin to undo the bolts. Once I break this paper, I can say bye-bye to the warranty and all the external help I can get with the battery. And that's another thing you might consider before opening yours. Now, once all the nuts and bolts are removed, I can remove the case. Of course, you want now, once you open this, you want to observe how this spring inside here is positioned. So slowly pull it out. Once both parts of the cover are separated, you can undo the discharge port. Then, depending on what you have to do on the battery pack, let's say you have to replace the BMS or inspect the cells, make sure that you take pictures of the parts you removed and all the wires you disconnected, so you'll know how to mount them back. Let's say you build the battery by yourself and you want to close this Dolphin case, then place the foam around the pack as much as you can, especially on the bottom, in order to absorb the shocks and vibrations during the ride. Now let's say, for example, you have to remove and replace the power switch, which is covered in hot glue. First, pry out the glue with a screwdriver, then cut it out. Undo the large nut with some pliers. Again, remember to note down or take a picture of wires so you will know how to connect them on the new part you will install. After you tighten it back, pour some new hot glue and you are good to go. Now let's say if this handle comes out together with its resort. You can see over here the spring has 2 pins. The tension should be on this one, on this side over here, not the other way around. So basically, with one finger holding the spring, insert the pin into the hole. Then with a screwdriver, press the pin against the plastic case to put tension on the handle. And now the handle is ready to get the second part of the case on. You can see you've got here some wires, so be careful to not catch wires. Finally, it's time to screw in the bolts. The short ones goes on the back. Hold the little nut from the back while screwing in the bolts. And first screw in the bolts where the most wires are. And make sure that the discharge connector is properly on. Alright guys, thanks for watching. If you are interested in more videos about electric bikes or cars, click that subscribe button. And until next time, take care and I will see you soon.